Did you know? Over 40 million people in the US experience anxiety every day. Anxiety is a daily struggle for millions around the world, but in just 10 minutes, you can find peace and calm. Welcome to Meditation Mindspace. I'm Lena Waters, and in this guided meditation, we'll focus on easing anxiety through mindfulness and deep relaxation. Let's take this moment to find peace together. In today's fast-paced world, anxiety has become an all-too common part of life. It can affect your mental health, your focus, and your overall well-being. But you don't have to let it control you. Meditation is a powerful tool that helps you manage anxiety by calming your mind and body. With regular practice, it can lead to lasting relief and a greater sense of peace. Now, let's begin our meditation. Start by finding a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Focus on the rhythm of your breath, letting it guide you into a state of relaxation. Imagine each inhale bringing in calmness and each exhale releasing stress. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath, without judgment. Now I invite you to visualize a peaceful place. It could be a serene beach, a quiet forest, or any place where you feel completely at ease. As you breathe, immerse yourself in this place. Feel the warmth of the sun. Hear the gentle sounds around you. And allow yourself to fully relax. With each breath, sink deeper into this state of peace and calm. Take a moment to notice the details in your peaceful place. Observe the colors, the textures, and the sounds. Let your mind explore this space without rushing. With each breath, allow yourself to become more connected to the serenity of this place. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel the tension in your body melting away. Your shoulders drop. Your jaw relaxes. And your entire body becomes heavy and grounded. With every exhale, release any lingering anxiety, letting it drift away. Now, spend the next several minutes simply being in your peaceful place. As you continue to breathe deeply, let go of any remaining tension and allow yourself to feel fully at ease. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to your breath and your peaceful visualization. Imagine yourself walking through this peaceful place. Feel the ground beneath your feet. The air on your skin. And the sense of calm surrounding you. With each step, feel yourself becoming more relaxed, more at peace. As you walk, notice how the environment responds to your presence. Perhaps the sunlight warms your face, or a gentle breeze rustles the leaves. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this experience, knowing that this place is always within you, a refuge you can return to whenever you need it. Continue exploring this serene environment at your own pace. There's no need to rush. Simply enjoy being present, feeling the calmness in your body and mind. Let go of any thoughts of the past or worries about the future. Just be here in this moment of peace. As we near the end of this meditation, take a few more deep breaths. Savoring the calm and tranquility you've created. Remember, this peaceful place is always available to you. Whenever you need to relieve anxiety, you can return here, using your breath and imagination to find comfort and calm. As we conclude this meditation, remember that this calm state is always within your reach. Whenever anxiety arises, return to your breath and your peaceful place. With practice, you can manage anxiety more effectively and find balance in your daily life. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Open your eyes slowly and take a moment to notice how you feel. You've just given yourself the gift of peace and relaxation. Thank you for joining me at Meditation Mindspace. If this meditation helped you, please share your experience in the comments below. For more guided meditations and mindfulness tips, be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos. Wishing you continued peace and calm.